I got ripped off by Lexus. I got charged $353 for this simple $25 part. Let's talk about it.
See, this is my 2016 Lexus RC350, but the issue that I had to take it to the dealership was a little issue in here. Spray nozzle. Now, don't you hate when you go to a car dealership to get your car fixed and they give you some ridiculous price for a very little thing? Well, that's why I made this channel, because I don't want you guys to go through what I went through. Now, Jay, what do you mean? It's a spray nozzle. How could it be that expensive? Well, that's because it didn't work. So, what I mean by it didn't work is that it didn't spray. So, here's an example. So you can see, that's all wet. But that down there is not working. Now, mind you, I got this fixed about 2 years ago. It cost me roughly about $200 for them to fix it. In the last 2 years, I've started the channel, started working on cars, and did some changes myself to the RC without a dealership, without a mechanic. And I teach you guys what I did. So here's the problem. Here's what we're gonna fix today. We're gonna fix this nozzle. I'm gonna save you 200 bucks, and it only costs me about $20. You know, quick fix, like a little nozzle clip. Hi, engine. Should not cost me 200 bucks, but for some reason, it absolutely did. All right, so what you're gonna need is either a fork, flathead screwdriver, or pliers. So we're gonna try the flathead for right now. And get under here, pop this tab off. It'll just cooperate. Firmly grasp it. No, let's just try and do that too. All right, well that didn't work. We're gonna try the pliers. Firmly grasp it. There you go. Pop it out. There, it's popped out. Cool. All right, let's pull this off. All right, so we need to get this clip out. I'm inspecting the hose to make sure that this connector right here isn't leaking. From the looks of it, it kind of is, but I'll double check that. And we also want to check this hose right here because that's what's feeding into this washer. So it turns out this splitter was what's the problem. It wasn't feeding enough water, apparently got backlogged with whatever type of washer fluid was in here, and it calcified, so it's clogged. We're gonna head to Advanced Auto Parts and get a new one, throw it in the Lexus, and then we should be good. So let's go take a ride. All right, so we have the new one. I'll take this out. And I'm gonna put it in. Hopefully this will make it work finally. So apparently it's supposed to go this way. Let's just try it. Let's just try it both ways and see. All right, let's try it now. All right, that seemed to be it. There we go. All right, so a $7 piece on Amazon, $20 at Advanced AutoZone. Saved me, what, $200 again for a bill that was allegedly taken care of the first time, but clearly it wasn't. So instead of going to the dealership for minor repairs like this, at least, you know, take your time and diagnose what's wrong with your car to begin with, and then see if it's fixable. Because most of the time, you pay hundreds of dollars for a 10-15 minute fix that you could do yourself. So if this was informative, subscribe, because I have a whole bunch of other how-to videos on the RC350, the RC platform in general, and other cars. If you didn't know, I have a Dodge Dart series, which you can find right here. Also, we are finishing up the giveaway for the spoiler, so that is on this video. Comment, like the video, 100 likes. Spoiler gets given away. Also, subscribe to my Instagram and my Twitter, I guess. I don't know. But subscribe to this channel. Make sure you're subscribed. Oh, TikTok. Follow on TikTok too. So if you also didn't know, so we're going to talk more. If you're done and you want to know what this is about, cool. We're going to talk about some light kits. And the LED light kits, the Underglow light kits by Define Garage, those are here. $50 off on the website, definegarage.com. And if you have anything else that you need, hit me up on Reddit, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, and I'll answer you guys' questions. And yeah, that's the episode.